In today's video, I will walk you through how to switch from a margin account to a cash account on Robinhood. In this tutorial, you will learn how to locate your account settings and change your account type from margin to cash step by step using the Robinhood legend. Start by logging into your Robinhood account through your web browser and making sure you are using a secure device. Once you are signed in, click on the human-like icon on the upper right-hand corner, then click View More Details under Margin. A new window will pop up. Look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Account tab to open your main account menu. From the available options, click on Settings to access your account configuration page. Inside Settings, locate and select the Investing section. This section contains your investment preferences and account-related options. Once you are inside Investing, find the option labeled Account Type and click on it. This will show your current account setup and available changes. If you currently have a margin account, you should see an option that allows you to switch to a cash account. Click on Switch to a Cash Account and follow the prompts that appear on the screen. Robinhood may display information explaining the differences between margin and cash accounts and may ask you to confirm your understanding before continuing. Review all the information carefully before proceeding and confirm the change if everything is correct. In some cases, the option to switch may not appear. This can happen if there are open positions or unsettled trades in your account. If you do not see the switch option, you will need to first transfer your funds out of your Robinhood account. After your funds have been successfully withdrawn, proceed with closing your margin account. Once the account is closed, you can create a new Robinhood account and select the cash account option during setup. During this process, you may also reach out to Robinhood support for assistance if needed. They can help guide you through any issues or account-related questions. After completing these steps, your account will be set to a cash account. That is how to switch from a margin account to a cash account on Robinhood Legend.